Hey everyone, Gilroy Gray Man Prepping. So I'm getting ready to do my exercise. Had a tough night last night. Again, every now and then I have those. But during the night, I was listening to the rain, got up a couple times to look what was going on. The rain's just about melted all the snow that was outside, other than places where it was pushed up in the piles, and even those are mostly gone. So, but right now I just opened the door, checked it out, and things kind of mist, when it's raining and stuff. Well, the slight mist coming down are little itty bitty snowflakes. So we're going to see if we get any snow today. All right, so let's get that at this and get some exercising done. As I did yesterday, I'm going to start with the gazelle this time and finish up on the workbench. All right. So I did it again. I spaced out and forgot to look at the start time of the on the Gazelle, but I did 315 calories on the Gazelle. Didn't do any free weights today, but I did up the number of some of the curls and stuff on the weight bench. Whew. Alrighty, so your prep for today. Medications. Do you have enough medications for 6 months? Over-the-counter medications, if you were to be having to take them every day. Prescription medications, do you have 6 months? If you only have 3 months, just, talk to your doctor. Tell them you're worried about supply chain issues and problems, and see if you can get you an extra to have on hand for that. Alrighty. Today's Wednesday, so no live stream for tonight for me. I'm working on editing a video for Camp Patton Family Compound for the seed call I got, and out in the shop I'm going to be going out there and putting up several more sheets of OBS up on the ceiling. I got 7 done so far out there. These are 4x8 sheets, and so I'm looking at getting 4 or 5 done today. Got most of the prep work done, so I just got to raise them up, stick them in place. All right. So, and I still waiting for some more seeds to germinate. Waiting for the one here that I had germinated that was about that long or so, the sprout that I planted, for it to break through the soil, and I'll give you an update on those when that happens. All right. So remember, stay happy, stay safe, keep adding to your preps, water, food, and check your food. Make sure you're not getting crap with maltodextrin, high fructose corn syrup in it, or any of the other friggin' chemicals that you can't pronounce. All right, you want some healthy food. And beware of vegetables, store-bought vegetables. Been doing research on it, and a lot of them have been sprayed with I can't even pronounce it now. Glyphosate or whatever. Anyways, it's one of the weed killer, chemicals. Anyways, try getting from local sources that don't use the herbicidal sprays on their crops and stuff. All right. You need to get healthy food prepped up for this winter.